Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Whether you're brand new to Xero or you have dabbled a little bit before, and maybe you feel like you don't quite get what you need from it, you're in the right place. My name is Beatrix, and I'm an accountant and bookkeeper with over 12 years of experience, and I'm helping business owners like you to get confident with their finances. I run my own business, BSB Bookkeeping and Accountancy Limited, and over the number of years, I've seen the same situation over again and again and again. People try to save money by doing their own bookkeeping, which is totally understandable, but without the right guidance, they end up making costly mistakes which need to be fixed later, and it ends up being more expensive and stressful in the long run. It's not about whether you can do it. I believe you absolutely can. The real question is, can you do it correctly? And that's where I come in to help you get it right from the start so you can feel confident and stay in control of your business finances. This training is designed especially for business owners like you who want to set up their Xero properly from the start. More importantly, to know how to check your records regularly. This isn't just about clicking buttons, it's about making sure that everything's working for you and your business. Now you might be thinking, hang on, can I just look up free Xero videos online, either on YouTube or on the Xero website? Yes, you're absolutely right. You can. So you can head over now and either start watching from the very beginning. Hello, rabbit hole. There you go. Or you can try to search for that one specific problem you're facing right now. You type in your question, watch a few videos, and they almost answer your question, but not quite. And then you keep going, watching more videos, try different keywords, maybe ending up on a forum or on a blog, and hours passed and days. And still, you're not 100% sure that you got it right. So let me ask you this, is that really free? You might not be spending money, but what about all that time and energy? All that time you could be actually spending with what you really enjoy, running your business, earning money, or even just having a breather with a cuppa or have a walk with your dog. So here's the good news. I've already done all the digging for you. I've spent all those hours for you. And I also added my years of experience with helping businesses to get the grips of Xero, answer the most common and confusing questions, and wrapped it all up into this course that's easy to follow, straight to the point, and designed with business owners in mind. You will get step-by-step guidance from setup to regular checks, real examples and simple explanations. It's lifetime access, so you can go back and rewatch anytime. And the bonus, if you have anything specific you're struggling with, just let me know and I will record a new video just for you specifically. How good is that? So, are you ready to have a quick peek into the course chapters with me? Enjoy! So really what we need to decide for our business is sole trader or limited company. People often ask this question, but the answer is actually not that simple. Let's see why. First, we are looking at both options from the liability point of view, and then we look at the taxation point of view. Let's start with the sole trader options. This is a very simple setup with minimal paperwork and formalities. You can do it online with the gov.uk link, which is in the workbook. Hello and welcome to our Xero training. So next to your company name, you will see this drop-down arrow, and you can use it to go to settings and files and some other options. So now we're gonna go to settings and we're gonna set up our organization details. So this means our company details. So you can upload your logo as well, and then just save all the information we've changed, we've added, we're just saving it now. The next thing we'd like to do is our financial settings. So we need to go on the top menu, accounting and advanced and financial settings. So we are in financial settings. This is very important because we can manage our financial year. Say we just registered our company, so it's going to be, say, the end of October, so 31st of October. So we go to custom and the last day of the financial year, 31st of October. At this point, don't worry about the prompt, the transition period, because we start from new. And then we save. So that's our financial year set up. So in this last section, we're going to check on our reports. First, our profit and loss, which we can find in accounting reports, and then on the top, profit and loss. So we change the period to last month. So see here, we've got October profit and loss, and see how nice it is now with all the details of dog boarding, dog walking and all that. So it's all a lot more detailed now rather than just sales as a lump sum. So first of all, we are looking at our profit and loss and see, what's the result for this month, for this month, like last month, and notice how nice report we've got now compared to when we started. So that's the first report we've got, profit and loss. Let's go to the next one. So let's see how to create expenses. So how we're going to do this? For example, we go to the shop and we're going to buy some copy paper. So how we're going to do this? Let's see. We buy it for cash, so we click on this little plus button and new spend money transaction, and we choose cash on hand because we're going to buy it for cash. And here we can just fill in the details. Where did we buy it from? What was the date? We can put in the reference, copy paper, and the description as well, or whatever else we bought. And then also from the receipt, we can put in all the information, the price and the account. This is important. We need to choose the account carefully. So this is going to be printing and stationery. And then again, the London office. And we have an option here to upload our original receipt, and just click on the upload button and we can find it and upload it. So once we're happy with it, we can just go ahead and save it, or if we have another expense to add, then we can click on save and add another. As long as we have this comparison, we can look into the numbers and the figures in a more detail, and we can identify the areas we need to look at and we need to improve or we need to change. So this is quite a useful thing to do month on month. Scrolling down a little bit, we can see the business performance option here, which is another interesting one. The business snapshot, which is again a nice dashboard with graphs and with options to change the period. So for example, we can change it to last month. So this is there's a profitability, and we've got the income here, the income for the whole month or the whole period. And also it's gonna compare it to same month last year, so October 2023. And then we can see if we hover over these graphs, then it will give us the exact figures for the period. And we've got our expenses here and our profit or loss, again compared to the same month last year.
Thank you for watching the whole video. So what are you waiting for now? Just click on sign up or message me with any questions. See you later.